In this video, we are studying about the supplementary interaction of genes. In previous lecture, we see the complementary interaction means co-working of the genes. And in this type of interaction, we are studying about supplementary interaction. They give supplement in their expression. Here, only one factor is sufficient to produce phenotypic expression, but addition of another factor causes the change in expression. Or in another way, we can define the supplementary interaction as the supplementary genes are two independent dominant genes interacting to produce the phenotypic expression different from the produced by either gene alone. This is well understood in example of the maize. Other examples are also there. We study this example. The supplementary gene action, the dominant allele of one gene is essential for development of the concerned phenotype, while the other gene modifies the expression of the first gene. For example, development of grain color in maize is governed by two dominant genes, capital R and capital P. The dominant allele capital R is essential for red color production. Homozygous state of the recessive allele r checks the production of red color. The gene P, capital P, is unable to produce any color on its own, but it modifies the color produced by gene capital R from the red to purple. The recessive allele P has no effect on grain color. Means in case of maize, these two genes are there, capital R and capital P, which are responsible for the interaction and transfer of this character into next. These are the some varieties of the grains of maize. If we cross a one purple having a that maize having a genotype capital R, capital P having purple colored grains with a white r, small p genes which having a white grains. The parents are homozygous producing gametes and develop a F1 generation which is purple colored. It is heterozygous. This result is according to Mendelian cross. But Mendelian cross or Mendelian ratios are varied or changed in the F2 generation, as well as this is a homozygous monohybrid cross. The selfie produces 4 types of gametes and the possible 16 combinations are found which are seen in this Punnett square. Out of that, 9 became a purple because purple color can develop only due to presence of both dominant genes. If there is only one color, only one gene is dominant, if R is dominant, then grain color is red. If P is dominant, then the red or purple color is not developed. Hence, the last two digits of Mendel's ratio, that is 9331, out of that last two digits 1 and 3 get mixed, get added, and ratio became a 9 purple as to 3 red as to 4 white. This is due to the supplementary action of two genes, capital R and capital P, that both genes carry the characters of grain color. Out of that, F2 generation has a 9 purple and 3 red and 4 white. In this way, Mendelian ratio is modified and genes became a supplementary factors in their expression. Conclusion is that the expression of single character by the interaction of more than one pair of gene is called interaction of gene. This interaction may be of cooperative or supplementary. When it is cooperative, we can call it as a complementary gene interaction. Complementary gene interaction gives the ratio which is also modified, but it is a 9:7. And in this another case, that is complementary gene interaction, the supplementary gene interaction shows a only addition of last two digits, that is supplementation, means one gene produces its color and another gene modifies its color only in its dominance. Hence, Batson and Punnett proposed factor hypothesis to explain interaction of genes.